Good day viewers, welcome to today's show of Talk Chemistry with Sifri. In this tutorial, we shall be talking about organic chemistry. What then is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is simply a branch of chemistry that deals with the study of carbon and its compound, exclusive of the oxides of carbon. Then are oxides of carbon. An oxide of carbon is simply a compound made when carbon directly combines with oxygen. Such compounds are carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. These are very common examples of oxides of carbon. Then, if these are not organic compounds, then what then are organic compounds? Organic compounds are compounds primarily made up of carbon, hydrogen, and other elements such as nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, sodium, potassium, so on and so forth. Now, examples of organic compounds. You have methane, and this is the molecular formula of methane, CH4. And if you open the structure of methane, you discover that in this structure, carbon is directly linked to hydrogen atoms. And this is one of the conditions of organic compounds. If you look at ethanol is another class of organic compound known as alkanols or alcohols. And this is the molecular formula of ethanol. If you open this structure, you discover that the carbon atoms in ethanol are directly linked to hydrogen atoms in their structure. If you also look at the molecular formula of ethanamine, which is another class of organic compound known as amines. In this structure of ethanamine, you will see that carbon is also directly linked with hydrogen atoms, which is a criteria that qualifies a compound to be known as organic compound. Now, however, if you look at the oxides of carbon, such as this is your carbon monoxide and this is your carbon dioxide. Now, in your carbon monoxide, you will discover that carbon monoxide lacks the what? The carbon-hydrogen bonds, and as such, they are not classified as organic compound. If you look at carbon dioxide, it's the same thing. It lacks the carbon-hydrogen bond. Similarly, other examples are sodium carbonate, and you have sodium bicarbonate, and you have calcium carbonate. All of these are not classified as organic compounds, in as much as they are carbon-containing compounds. Therefore, not all carbon-containing compounds are organic compounds. Organic compounds are primarily compounds that contain carbon and hydrogen and other elements. However, those compounds must contain a direct carbon and hydrogen bonds inside of it. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned for another tutorial on organic chemistry.